Hey guys, my name is Guy Level and you're watching my tech channel. Today we're going to be checking out the Streamplify Hub Control 7, which is a very particular type of USB hub because they give you 16 icons that are acrylic little icons that you can set up to basically know exactly what's plugged in. If you're like me, I'm a content creator and I'm a gamer, I'm a live streamer. I have over 15 things plugged into my computer right now, so hopefully this will be a good solution for it. And I almost dropped it. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm gonna use my trusty box cutter. Boom, and then I'm gonna use my trusty hands. All right, boom, I'm getting good at this. Look at this. All right, so there you go. 16 icons, USB 3.0, fast charging. Let's find out how to open it first. Boom, like that. All right, so we have the USB hub, the cable, and user manual here. Oh, the little acrylic signs. Power unit, DC adapter probably. Nice, okay, so that's the USB cable. And we also have a little cable organizer, that's nice. Look at that. And let's pull out the actual USB thing. So here you go. We have the power ports over there, little rubber thing at the bottom so it doesn't move around, the buttons, and of course. But you know us on the channel, we don't read those. We like stuff to be intuitive. Acrylic signs. There should be 16 of them. 15 of them. So this one has a lightning bolt and they basically light up with the USB thing. This one is just a number 5 for Mambo. We have a Streamplify logo. I'm just gonna skip the numbers. You know what numbers look like. We have a microphone. That is pretty nice. We have a hard drive. If you have an external drive. What do we have? A phone. Good. We have a light. Nice. A computer. Or a monitor, I'm not sure. Looks like a laptop. We have camera. Okay, I'll definitely get some use to that. We have headset. Nice. And that's it. The rest is number. I believe you get numbers from 1 to 9. No, you actually get numbers from 1 to 7. All right, let's put them in. Let's put some of them in. We're just gonna go for the logos. We don't care about the numbers. And let's see how it works. Okay, just pressure fits in there. You can choose the side. I'm gonna go with this. It's probably gonna be lower. Can you choose the side? Let me try fitting it the wrong way. Oh, one of them is way harder than the other one, so I'm guessing that's just the right way of setting it in. Wow, I went with 3. That's not what I wanted, but whatever. All right, we have our hub ready. Let's pull out the cable and plug it in. Pretty long cable. I'm guessing 1 meter, 1.5 meters maybe. I forgot to unbox the adapter. Let's see what's in there. Whoops. All right, normal adapter, nothing fancy here. 12 volts, 2 amps, nice. And of course, it's rated for my country, which is the EU 2 branches thingy. So I'll plug that in and let's just plug it in. Ooh, okay. Immediately we get the RGB. Not bad. It's pretty bright. You can see from the USB port too. Like I have bright lights for my setup and this is kind of nice. So you seem to have the ability to press and turn it on. This this is just like a toy that I just wanna fidget with. All right, let's plug it to the computer. I'm guessing this port right there is the one that goes to your computer. I plug it in right here. Okay, little Windows noise. This is so nice. It looks so cool, I'm not gonna lie. Now here's the thing, it's gonna be like that on your desk. So view from up top, you're gonna see it like this. And then all of your cables are gonna be coming out of it. So basically on the desk, you would have it like that. On a desk, you would have it like that. And then basically the cables can go down behind your table. It's quite practical, not gonna lie. Now, I should probably test it. Now, since we are on the subject of Streamplify products, I have the ring light 10, and I'm gonna plug this into the USB hub. Let's bring it up here, and I'm going to plug it right there. All right, the controls are right here. I'm gonna press it once, and nothing happens. So when the front buttons are not lit up, it's turned off. So when you press it, now it should be on, and it is on. Would you look at that? And this is like full power, so far so good. Now I can think of many uses for this. Also, I don't think I need to show you how cable management thingy work, but basically you would slide your cable right there. This is something that you can put anywhere, basically right behind the USB hub, so that all of your cables just go through this thing before falling behind your table for good cable management. And yeah, this is nice. Let me press on that button right here if I want to stop the power to this. Works like a charm. I really like this, and I really like the look of it. The little RGB look. I kind of wish maybe there's a button to turn it off. No, I guess you could just get rid of the acrylics if you don't want, but the LEDs are still in there. Definitely less visible. So that's nice. Probably shoots up a little bit of light if it's near a wall. Yes, it does. So that's cool. That's cool. Nothing against it. So if you don't want to see something light up in your room, for example, you can just pull out the acrylic. Never mind. I just realized there's a button right here that when you press it, it changes the colors. How can I better display the colors? Alexa, turn off ring light. There we go. Hopefully we get a better look at it. This is why I like testing if things are intuitive. So we have some LED effects, and the button is right there. Oh my God. This is just like a mechanical keyboard. This one just stays red, stays yellow, orange, greenish, green, cyan, blue, pink or purple, white, and off, which is all I'm asking, which is everything I was asking. This is really cool. So you can set it RGB, or just, if you're in show off mode, basically you can set it to this, or you can just turn it off completely. This is cool. And then just turn on, turn off. Love it, love it. Okay, I need to stop bumping into everything. This was a review of the Streamplify USB hub. So this was an unboxing and review of the Streamplify USB hub called Hub Control 7. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more Streamplify stuff, just check out the channel. I don't know which order I'm going to upload them, but also check out my main channel where I'm going to give one big recap of all the products they sent me. And there's a lot of them. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.